السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. حل امتحانات ديجيتال سات ماث تيست وأنا أستاذ سعيد المهدي. لو حد عايز ياخد كورسات سات أو أكت أو EST 1 أو 2 يتواصل معايا. For the linear function f, the table shows 3 values of x and their corresponding values of f of x. Function f is defined by f of x equals x plus b, where a and b are constants. What is the value of a minus b? طيب عايزين نجيب ال A دوت هو السلوب اللي هو بيساوي y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 اللي هو ممكن نقول مثلا دي minus دي، يعني نقول 64 minus 0 divided by 3 minus 2 يعني 64 over 1 يعني slope ال A دوت A is equal to 64. B, so y equals mx plus b يعني y equals 64x plus b. Take any point, let's say this point. So 0, y is 0, 64 multiply 2 plus b. So 0 equals 128 plus b. Move this to other side, so b is equal to negative 128. It is said a minus b. A minus b is equal to a is 64 minus b minus 128. 64 plus 128 is 100 and this is 92. 192. Dataset A consists of 10 positive integers less than 60. The list shown gives 9 of the integers from dataset A. This dataset, the mean of these 9 integers is 9. Integers of these 9 integers is 42. Okay. If the mean of the dataset A is an integer that is greater than 42, so the last number should be greater than 42. Greater than 42, something greater than 42. X is greater than 42. The last number x should be greater than 42. And it is said less than 90, so it is x should be less than 60 and greater than 42. Something between 43, 44, any number till 59. What's the value of the largest integer from the dataset? هو هنا بيقول the mean of the dataset A is an integer. Integer يعني whole number، يعني positive or negative whole number. يعني هنا دلوقتي ال 9 numbers دول المين بتاعهم 42. 9 multiply 42 the sum of first 9 numbers plus last number اللي هو x divided by 10 should be integer. Integer between 43 and 59. So we can, let's say this integer. So we can write here in the calculator 9 multiply 42 plus number, let's say 43 divided by, we need largest, so we start from 59 divided by 10. This should be an integer. This is not an integer. 43.7. So we need to be less by 7. Like 59 minus 7 is 52. So let's use 52 divided by 10. This is this integer. 9 multiply 42 plus 52 divided by 10, 43, which is an integer. This is an integer, so the answer is the last number, or the value of the largest number, largest integer is 52. For groups of 50, 25 or more people, a museum charges 21 per person for the first 25 people and $14 for each additional person. Which function gives the total charge in dollars for a tour groups with n people, where n is greater than or equal to 25. So, first 25 people, the museum will charge $14. And then, so this is a point, like 25 people, X, and Y is what? Y is 25 people multiply 21. This is the Y, the cost. So X is 25 people, and the cost is 25 multiply 21. This is equal to 525. This is a point. And after this, the slope, the rate will be 14. So slope or rate is $14 per person. So the equation y minus y1 equals slope multiply x minus x1. This is point slope form. The point is this, so y minus 525 is equal to slope 14 multiply x minus 25. So distribute 14x minus 14 multiply 25, this is 350, and y minus 525. So we add 525, add 525. So y is equal to 14x 525 minus 350. This is 175. So the answer is 14 plus 175. Number 22, in triangle LMN and RST, angles L and R each have measure of 60. Okay. So L and R, so let's make this like this, maybe L, MN, this is 60, and let's say RST, this is 60 degree, and this is 60 degree. LN is 10, okay, and RT is 30, so they are similar. Which additional piece of information is sufficient to prove that triangle LMN is similar to triangle RST? MN is 7, and ST is 7. This is not correct because the ratio here 10, 30, this is multiplied by 3. So if this is 7, this should be 21. So this is not correct. MN is 7, and this is 21. 7, 21, this would be what? This would be side angle. Like angle and side and side. Angle side is not making congruent triangles or similar triangles. So this is not correct. The measure of angle M and S, this and this, are 70 and 60. So let's see if this is 70 and this is 60. M and S, they should be equal. M and S, they are M and S. So if M is 70 plus 60 is 60 plus 70, this is 130. So the last angle, third angle, 180 minus 130, this is 50. This should be 50. And this is 60 plus 60, 120. So this would be 60. So this is not correct. The measure of angle M and T, 70, 50. This should be the answer number. This should be the answer. This is the correct answer because M is 70 and t is 50. So we calculated this before. This is 50, 50, 50, and this would be 7. So yes, this is correct answer. Because this is angle, angle, angle. This can make similar triangles. إن شاء الله أقابلكم في حلقات لاحقة. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.